Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I maybe should have done this in Swedish, but I hope all Swedes know English anyway. So today's package is from Streetstyle, and Streetstyle is Sweden's oldest skateboarding brand. It must be. Streetstyle was founded in 1988 when a group of guys came back to Sweden after living the dream in US, California. So they came back, let me just open this. Came back to Sweden and opened a skate shop, and that grew fast until something huge. And of course they were right on time. 1988, I mean late 80s, early 90s. Everything was about skateboarding, and that grew into a whole team, skateboard competition, skateboard camps, etc., etc. And then things changed, and they took a break. I don't know for how long, and now they are back with the old team, the same designer as before. The whole old OG team are back again with Streetstyle, and releasing some cool clothing, and they are going to release a very limited Soul Love Crew t-shirt as well. And this is the first you heard about this. I don't know if they're gonna get mad at me for telling you this, but so that's it. So I'm just gonna show you what I got here, because of course it got me curious. It's organic cotton. Everything seems to be very nice, and of course we are curious about the sizing. Is this black or is this blue? This is black as it gets. So this is going to be a giveaway, because I don't wear black, but the blue one is nice. A bit thinner than your standard hoodie. And I like that. This is a hoodie that you can wear in the summer as well. So a bit thinner, and a hat. So let's put it on. I am almost always a size XL, and I am 6'2" I think, and 95 kilos, a little bit less, 94 maybe. And it fits me well. It is a bit on the saggy side, but that is skating clothing, so yeah, streetwear. And if you want to slim it, go down a size. So it is a little bit big for its size. I think I could go with a large, but as I said, XL is my safe size. That is what I go with, and I like it like this. I like it casual. I like it streetwear and saggy. As said, I think it fits me well, but it is this loose fit, just the same that you get with Supreme. But the arms are good, the length are good. I could go with a large, but if I would try them both, this is still the size that I would choose. Yeah, sorry, I keep getting phone calls all the time. I don't know why I didn't put it in flight mode. So size XL, I could go down a size. But if you want it like this, casual, loose, streetwear style, then you just go through the size. And the t-shirt that I'm going to do a giveaway on is black with Streetstyle text on the front. It is also size XL. If you want it, just let me know, comment. And I would prefer that you are a size XL if you want it. That's it. Nice hat. Streetstyle, back again, Swedish OG skateboarding brand. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and we are really looking forward for that Soul Love Crew t-shirt. So I'm gonna do something about that. Good night.